I'm Didi.
Like two of these?
I'm Titi.
Oh, TT. How you doing? I'm Mabel. Everybody call me Madea. Hello. You put your hands on me, I'm gonna punch all that Spanish out your throat. You're gonna be talking straight up English.
When I saw you come in, I thought, I hope she's in my set. Ta-da! Brownies for my brownie. I made them myself.
The hell you mean brownies for your brownie? You trying to call me black or something?
Brownie.
Ain't no oven in here. How the hell you make a brownie?
I have my ways.
What the hell you in here for? Stealing flowers?
I murdered 18 men.
You what? To ATM?
I murdered 18 men.
80?
18 men. I'm one of the first female serial killers. I'm going to be here till I die. But I'll be making you brownies, my brownie. I'm Teddy, but everybody calls me Didi.
She said her name TT. I thought she said Titty too the first time I talked to her.